Move the vehicle. Tap on the button to watch the cartoon. Track tampers are needed to make the ground dense and hard. If you trample the ground with your feet, it takes forever. A tamper will do the job much faster. Drag the vehicle onto its place. Tap on the vehicle to learn more about it. Tap on the vehicle to learn more about it. Tap on the vehicle to learn more about it. It is long and dangerous to demolish an old, dilapidated building by hand. It is much better to entrust it to a special machine, a destroyer. Tap on the vehicle to learn more about it. A truck only appears to be big and clumsy. In fact, they even race off-road. Tap on the vehicle to learn more about it. Garbage trucks are needed to collect garbage. For this purpose, they have a large tank at the back. Some garbage trucks have a special gripper, and the driver doesn't even have to get out of the cab. Move the vehicle onto its place. Tap on the vehicle to learn more about it. The lift crane speeds up construction a lot. With its help, you can assemble a house from ready parts quite quickly. If you need to dig a hole where there is no road, a crawler excavator is the best way to do it. The tracks allow it to drive over almost any terrain. It's a cherry picker truck. The world's tallest cherry picker can lift people to a height of 120 meters. That's higher than the Statue of Liberty. A truck is a real transformer. Instead of a platform, it can be fitted with any body. Tack crawler augers can drill deep holes in the ground into which foundations can be formed. And some of them can drill to very deep levels to find underground water or minerals. The crane truck can lift very heavy loads to very high heights. Also, this vehicle is used by rescuers in emergency situations.